on your shoulders and all of the madness has got you going crazy. It's time to get out, step out into the street where all of the action is right there at your feet. Well, I know a place where we can dance the whole night away underneath electric stars. Just come with me and we can shake your blues right away. You'll be doing fine once the music starts. Oh, feel the beat of the rhythm of the night. Dance until the morning light. Forget about the worries on your mind. Can leave them all behind. Feel the beat of the rhythm of the night. Oh, the rhythm of the night. Oh, yeah. Look out on the street now. The party's just beginning. The music's playing. A celebration starting under the street lights. The scene is being set. A night for romance. A night you won't forget. So come join the fun. This ain't no time to be staying on. Ooh, there's too much going on. Oh, tonight is gonna be a night like you've never known. We're gonna have a good time the whole night long. Oh, feel the beat of the rhythm of the night. Dance until the morning light. Forget about the worries on your mind. You can leave them all behind. Feel the beat of the rhythm of the night. Oh, the rhythm of the
frequency cleared. Def Jam, the party is packed and I rap. Girls wall to wall, there's my man hanging out in the back. So I move, slide through the dance floor. I never seen a club so hyped before. Get on the mic and get raw, back to back, punch the front door to door. Everybody dance to the new sound, rock and roll, soul to soul. I bring it on down from the bottom to the top, from the top to the bottom. I got 'em. People everywhere, they jump, they fling their hair, they shake their dairy, yeah, oh yeah. So loosen your body and let me take control. Let's rock and roll. Or dance or rap or acid, come on, get with it, that's it. Throw your hands in the air, scream, go, go, go. Rock and roll, we're rolling, flowing, yo. It will develop into a new form, break the norm, get warm and then swarm. Come back again, tear it up and transform. From B.B. King to Bo Diddley, and Sullivan was on the TV screen to be seen with the Beatles and the Jackson 5. The Who, the Doors, the Rolling Stones, and even I dibble the bit to get with, helping to prove that it's legit. Your parents dissed it back in the days, the same way they diss rap. Are you amazed? So DJs, let's rock and roll. Get out your seat and arise. Everybody up and get live. The CNC Music Factory is mastery and full of jams that has to be pumped till your ears get sore. Live from Brooklyn out to the California seashore. We came to rock and roll, to get on down to something funky with soul. Robin Dave seduced it and I juiced it, spruced it, mass produced it, and you proofed it. Party people, if you're having a good time and singing along with my rhyme, this goes out to the young and to the old. Let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. Go ahead, baby.
Your soul.